English of the Day, number 1. Advanced English. The Sampeah, a deeply rooted Cambodian gesture of respect, functions not only as a social greeting, but also as a cultural embodiment of hierarchy, humility, and spiritual reverence. Simple English. The Sampeah, an old Cambodian way of showing respect, is not only a greeting but also represents social rank, modest behavior, and spiritual values. A deeply rooted Cambodian gesture of respect means an old Cambodian way of showing respect. Functions as a cultural embodiment of hierarchy means represents social rank. Humility means modest behavior. Spiritual reverence means spiritual values.